Bonjour mes enfants. Comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre une nouvelle leçon. Leçon numéro 12. Adjectif. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today we will learn a new lesson, lesson number 12. Adjective in French. The book, page number 30. Let's start. The adjective or adjective in French may be masculin ou féminin. The adjective in French may be masculine or feminine. An adjective that describe a noun. For example, a green book. Green, adjective because it describe a noun, book. A French man. French, adjective because it describe a noun, man. So, we have a rule in French. The adjective in French agrees with the noun. So if the noun is masculine, the adjective will be masculine. And of course, it's feminine, the adjective will be feminine. So to make an adjective feminine in French, you usually need to add an E at the end of the adjective. For example, un livre vert. Un livre vert. Look, un livre. What the meaning of livre? Book. That's right. Très bien. Un livre vert. So, what the meaning of vert? It means green. Très bien. Un livre vert. Look, un livre. Masculin ou féminin? Masculin. So, vert, this adjective, must be masculin. Une table verte. Une table verte. Look, une table. Masculin ou féminin? Féminin. So, verte, this adjective must be féminin. To make the adjective féminin in French, you must add letter E at the end of the adjective. Une table verte. Look, verte with feminine, vert with masculine. Écoute et répète. Listen and repeat. C'est un garçon. C'est un garçon. This is a boy. Il est grand. Il est grand. What the meaning of grand? It means old. Grand. Grand. So, il est grand, it means he is old. C'est un garçon. Il est grand. Look, this adjective, masculin ou féminin? Must be masculin because un garçon, masculin. C'est une fille. C'est une fille. This is a girl. Elle est grande. Elle est grande. She is old. So, look, grande. Féminin ou masculin? Féminin because une fille, féminin. The adjective must be féminin like the noun. When come féminin, the adjective come féminin also. To make the adjective féminin, you must add E at the end of the adjective. Look, grande, grand. Grande, grand. C'est un garçon. C'est un garçon. Look, this is a boy. Il est petit. Il est petit. What the meaning of petit? It means small or young. Il est petit. Look, this adjective. Féminin ou masculin? Masculin because it come with masculin. Un garçon, masculin. So, the adjective must be masculin. Il est petit. He is small. C'est une fille. C'est une fille. This is a girl. Elle est petite. Elle est petite. She is small. Elle est petite. Look, this adjective must be feminine because this noun feminine, une fille. Look, to make this adjective feminine, you usually need to add letter E at the end of the adjective. Look, petite with feminine, petit for or with masculine. C'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. Look, this is a pen. We studied before an stylo. This is masculine or feminine? Masculine. So the adjective must be masculine. Il est joli. Il est joli. Look, joli, adjective. What's the meaning of joli? It means nice or beautiful. So joli, it means nice. Il est joli, it's nice. C'est un stylo. This is a pen. Il est joli, it's nice. So joli, adjective, must be masculine like a noun. And stylo, it's masculine. C'est une règle. C'est une règle. Look with me. Une règle. Masculin or féminin? Féminin. So the adjective must be what? Must be féminin also. So c'est une règle. This is a ruler. Elle est jolie. This is or it's nice. Elle est jolie. Elle est jolie. Look, jolie. This adjective, we added E at the end of the adjective because it comes with feminine. Jolie with E, feminine. Jolie without E, masculin. Rappelle-toi. To make an adjective in French feminine, you just add letter E at the end of the adjective. Look, in masculine, this adjectives grand, petit, joli. In feminine, grande, petite, jolie. We added E at the end of the adjective. And open the book Cahier d'activité, page number 86, and look in the schedule for adjectives or adjective. Look with masculine, feminine, and il means. Grand, grande, it means big or old. Petit, petite, small or young, it means small or young. Jolie, jolie, it means nice. Bully, bully, it means polite. Gris, grise, it means gray. Intelligent, intelligente, it means intelligent. Vert, verte, it means green. So the adjectives with masculine without E. And to make the adjective feminine, you usually need to add the letter E at the end of the adjectives. Merci. Au revoir.